Dollar Tree has put out the summer pattern dishes, so if you are looking for these, you might want to head over. My Dollar Tree put out two sets. They put out the lemon and the bee pattern sets. They had every item for the sets available at my Dollar Tree. So, like I said, if you are looking, you might want to head over there and grab them. They have drinking glasses with the lemon pattern. They have the tall drinking glasses. They have the tea towels. They come in a pack of one for those. You'll get one in the pack. They have the mugs, and then they have that pattern all the way around in the lemon. They paired it with the gold charger plates at my Dollar Tree, but you can pair it with whatever you want. They have regular size plates with the lemon print, and I love the lemon print on the plates. It's just nice and big, and it'll look nice on a table setting. They have the bowls. They have the placemats. They're like a lightweight feel. You can even try layering these if you want. And then they have the saucer plates too, and the pot holders for these. They have the bee pattern. They have the pot holders, and the pot holders come in a pack of two. They have the plates. This pattern is a little more spaced out, but it will look good still with the layering because the pattern is, right where you need it to be. The bowls, the pattern is so pretty on those. They have the saucer plates and they say be happy on them. Super cute. They have the drinking glasses, the tall ones. They have the mugs with the pattern all the way around. And then they have the drinking glasses that say be happy on them. They have the placemats again. They are lightweight. I like the charger plate because it kind of looks like the nautical one. And you can grab that. And then they have for the kitchen the drying mat too with the bee pattern, and it is all over it too.